I'm on a nice little excursion with two buddies of mine on the Horton Creek trail, and right behind me is the Horton Creek Spring, which we'll go up and take a look at that in a minute. Our plan is to get a campsite just downstream from here, set up a little base camp, and then spend a couple days just kind of exploring the area and eating some good food and drinking some good whiskey. So I hope you enjoy checking out this little video of yet another of Kev's Out There In It adventures. Okay, here we are at Horton Spring. Flowing nicely. Crystal clear water. Manzanita.
We're hiking up the famous Horton Creek Trail, which hikes up into an area called the Mogollon Rim, which is a 300-mile-long cliff or escarpment. It's about 2,000 feet in elevation, with the largest ponderosa pine forest on Earth. And it's a lovely area. Now, the interesting thing about the Mogollon Rim is it defines the southern boundary of the Colorado Plateau province, which is the Four Corners region with the Grand Canyon, Bryce, Zion, Canyonlands, Arches, all those spectacular features. We're hiking up to what marks the southern boundary. And the reason there's a huge forest here, because when the atmosphere hits a 2,000 foot high cliff, there's more precipitation, so perhaps we'll experience some of that later on in the trip.
One of the most ancient plants on Earth, I believe. All right, here's a quick view of the campsite. There's Matt, and his tent is there. And then looking down, we have a tarp right there for a place to go if it starts raining tonight. I'm down here, and then if we go into the camp itself, there's George. George set up a hammock system for either napping and or sleeping at night. We got a fire going here. A little kitchen cooking area. Somebody left a grill behind, so we're gonna use that. And then George's tent is down there. And the creek is just right here. So it's a really, really nice campsite area. I'm prepping the carrot side dish. It's going to be a whiskey, ginger, roasted carrots with some fresh thyme.
No way.
Oh yeah.
In the middle of the wilderness?
In the middle of the, yeah, cooking the fire.
Okay.
In a foil pack. And I've already done the carrots and some black pepper and the ginger. Just putting a little sea salt on it now. And then the secret ingredient goes in. It's just a little bit of whiskey. Just to flavor it.
I'm sorry.
We'll add a little bit for the cook.
So that it's properly cooked on the fire.
Tealings, small batch. And wrap it up, throw it in the fire. Here's what the foil pack looks like when it's ready to go in the fire. Just wait now till the coals are ready, and then that goes in. And then there's 2 potatoes that are gonna go in. And those are for breakfast tomorrow. Oh, that looks so good. This is catfish that George brought. What's seasoning on that?
Old Bay
Old Bay and
Old
some
Bay.
oil.
and olive oil.
Nice. Oh,
Yeah.
that's
That looks-
fucking
that's
beautiful,
good. Doesn't that
dude.
look good?
I think
Yeah.
this one's about ready too. That looks fucking great, man. Okay, we got burgers cooking, some spicy buns, and a little bacon. It's coming along. Got a little bacon and Stilton cheese on them. Man, they look great. As Matt says, or George, you never know what you're gonna find when you open these hobo packs, but man, that looks great. All right, Kev's Campfire Stilton Bacon Burger. Bingo.
It feels better with your feet higher.
Yeah.
Well, guess what? It snowed last night. Look at that, it's beautiful. Snow, I haven't been in snow for a long time. Look at all the snow melting. That's not rain, that's snow. Okay, we got some potatoes frying up, and jalapenos and some smoked trout. Gonna have a little breakfast hash. Okay, that's what it looks like when it's almost there. It looks like it's pretty much ready to go. Okay, we're continuing along the Highline Trail, and look at these spectacular views to the south. It goes forever. And it's a gorgeous day and a really lovely trail. Some nice agave up here. Beautiful. Okay, here's my take on a French onion pasta. It's got some bow tie pasta, some fried onions, some beef jerky, brown sugar, garlic powder, and a bouillon cube. Oh, and I'm going to finish it with some Parmesan cheese. Okay, let's give it a look and a stir. It looks interesting. Definitely thickened up. Let's give it a try. Anything on it?
Is it good?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah, it's really good. Okay, it's the morning of day 3, and it could not be a nicer day. Blue skies. It's about 50 degrees right now, and there's George in the background. My buddy Matt right there. And we're on our way out after a successful little excursion. All right, we'll check. Okay, we're nearing the trailhead, so I'm gonna wrap this up now. It's been a wonderful, wonderful trip into the woods and Horton Creek. And it's a gorgeous day to be hiking out. Look at that blue sky. Just gorgeous. It's a very, very nice hike. Fairly easy. It'd be a wonderful hike for beginning backpackers. Lots of water, shade, beautifully graded trail. All in all, it's just a really, really nice trip. Highly recommend. So it's Kevin signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos. And catch you next episode.